Hello everyone. Let's study electric field due to the system of point charges. So what's in by electric field? We'll know that electric field is the force per unit charge. F E is equal to F by Q. The SI unit will be Newton per Coulomb. This you know already. Now we also derived in last class that electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square into R cap. Okay. Now let's see this formulas here. We're going to use it now. So let me take a point P here. This is a point P and there are many charges here. This is Q1, Q2, this will be Q1, this is Q2, Q3. Okay. So these charges will give a electric force or electric field. So electric field due to Q1 will be acting like this way. This I can mark it as E1P, the electric field due to the first charge on the point P. Next, let's see what electric field Q2 will give. Q2 will give like this way. So electric field due to the second charge on the point P, E2P. It's a vector. Then third one, electric field due to the charge 3. So Q3 will give an electric field like this way. So this will be E3P, the electric field due to the third charge on the point P. Now you have to add these electric fields vectorially. So you're going to use the superposition principle. Okay. So let me take this thing E2P here, and I'm going to draw same length on top. Okay. So we can leave it from here itself, but to go get as in textbook. So E2P will be like this way. Then E3P, no, this electric field I will draw it like this way. So electric field due to third charge on the point P. Then let's see the total here. So this will be the total from this point P to here. You'll get the total electric field, E total. Okay. Now let's see what's the electric field due to the first charge here. So electric field due to the first charge on point P, E1P, that will be equal to we can write as K. Okay, I'm writing this 1 by 4 pi epsilon as K to make a calculation easily. So Q1 by the distance between R, we can write as R1P square into R cap 1P. So what does this R1P mean? This distance between 1 and point P. Then this one will be R2P vector. This will be R3P vector. That's the distance here between third charge and the point P. So similarly, we have electric field due to the second charge, E2P. So electric field due to second charge on point P, that will be equal to K into Q2 by R2P square into R cap 2P. Okay. So similarly, you can say for nth charge also. So E3P we can also write as it is. We can now write as for ENP, electric field due to the nth charge on the point P, that will be equal to K into Qn by, okay, space not there, so write as on top, Q by RNP the whole square into R cap NNP. Now let's use the superposition principle. Okay, let me rub this out on top. Okay, so rub this out. Now let's use superposition principle, that is electric field E is equal to electric field, so electric field due to the first charge and between point P, okay, plus electric field due to the second charge on point P plus electric field due to the third charge on point P. Like this way we can write up to electric field due to the nth charge on point P. Okay, let's substitute this now. Okay, so this will be E total. So electric field due to the first charge on point P will be, you can see here, K into Q1 by R1P the whole square into R cap 1 and P, then plus K into q2 by r2p the whole square into r cap 2p. We can leave second third one, and let's go to the last one here, plus electric field due to the last one will be k into qn by r n and p the whole square and r cap n and p. Now what's common everywhere? K is common, so write k here. K into q1 by r1p the whole square into r cap 1 and p plus q2 by r2p the whole square into r cap 2p plus up to qn by rnp the whole square into r cap n and p. Okay, so this is a total electric field. Now you can see this one and then this 2 3 like this, it goes up to n, so we can sum them. Okay, so we can write the total electric field in a different format also. So we can write summation. Okay, k is there now. K write as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Then we can write summation symbol. This is summation symbol. Then you can take this first term here, that will be q. 1 is there, instead of writing 1 we write as I to make it more general, by rip the whole square, this is square term here, okay, into r cap inp. Now the summation starts from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n. So if you substitute 1 means write here q1 by r1p whole square to r1p, then q2 by r2p the whole square up to n. Okay, so this gives us the electric field to system of charges. Okay, we are taking each charge individually, and this will give us the total electric field. So this formula gives the total electric field for a system of point charges.